All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So bait and bait. So bait or baited, an angry mood. Angry, yeah, angry. Yeah, there we are. Yep, he was baited along by them. They baited him and just made him angrier and angrier. They baited him along. If he is not careful, she will bait him into making a mistake. He can be baited into doing silly things sometimes. Yeah. He always can be baited to do something he will later regret. Or regret, yeah. Oh. Regret. Why? So bait, yeah. Bait along to do something silly. Yeah. But baited, as in bait, something used to entice someone or something into a trap. Yeah, it's like the cheese here on this trap. Here's the bait. The cheese is the bait. Don't take the bait. You'll fall for the trap. For the trap, yeah. Don't take the bait. He took the bait and the trap snapped shut. Yeah. Very good. What bait did you put in the trap? We use different kind of bait when fishing. Yeah. Yeah. When fishing. Yeah, there we are. Oh, very good. They took the bait. I can't believe it. They actually fell. They actually fell for the trap. The bait works. It works. It enticed them into the trap. It worked. Wow. I did not think that kind of bait would work. It was too different. Too different. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So baited along, and bait for a trap. Yeah. How cool is that? So cheese is a common bait. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use bait and bait in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.